Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I will be talking about Dash and giving you guys some updates from its last move, my last video. So basically, Dash has been bouncing off this major support that I mentioned in my last video on Dash, and it is going up pretty good. So guys, for this price prediction, I'm already in this trade. There's been multiple entries. I think that when it comes to these entry points right here, especially when it comes to this bottom right here and this right here, these are two clear signs that it's going to go higher before it's going to make like a retracement or like pullback for this new trend. And I think the price is going to be about $64. It's about this high right here. So my price prediction, guys, just to get it real out there, is $64. Now, if it hits $64 and bounces back down, that's fine, because here's my plan. And especially if I'm seeing this for the first time, for viewers out there, and I was going to enter at the current market price, or look at the current market price at $52. So my plan would be set up like this. I would do, if I'm looking at a trading perspective, because you're doing cash positions like hodling. For me, if I was going to hodl Dash, I would just buy the dip, and every dip, I would just dollar cost average in every week, buy the dip, or every month. I would continuously do that so I can average out my price, and then when it goes up higher, I can start selling off positions as it goes. But when it comes to trading, guys, specifically right here, so if I was going to enter at the current market price, I would enter in two different orders. And for the first order, I'll place the target profit at $64 flat and have my stop loss a little bit below this right here, so below the 41. So I'm risking 41 for the price down, and for the target profit, $64. So if it hits if it goes up to say about $60 to $62, I'll move my stop loss above both entries, locking in the trade. And then if it hits $64, it will knock me out of my trade, taking me in profit. And my other trade, well, I'm gonna lock that in and just hold it. So if it goes up to these higher highs, let's kick it to the weekly. And if it goes up, just say $64 and goes up to $92, I have a position that I can hold. So if it goes up here, I can close it out, take pretty good profits out. Similar to like hodling, but with trading, you have margin requirements. You can get knocked out of your trade. So a little bit different perspective. I prefer trading over cash positions. But give me you guys your thoughts on it. You guys see Dash hitting $64 or not? Well, let's go back and give you guys some update of what's happening to Dash also. So in my last video, I published June 23rd. And when it comes to this video, let's see. I said the same thing. It's going to bounce off this support, which it did pretty good. It actually re-entered a couple times. So it gave a lot of people enough time to enter to get this move up, because I think Dash is one of those big cryptos that are actually making also have real utility. But this thing is ranked 71 on the list with 230,000 people's on people's watch list. Now it's up 2,000, ranked about the same, so 71 to 78, so not too bad. So it has a lot of room from here, sitting at $556 million market cap. Now if you guys want to trade hodl, here's the list. I'll link it below in the description box. Also, guys, Dash.org, check out their website and Twitter page. You guys want some of the new updates, what's happening with Dash. And guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. So please, guys, subscribe now. I'll wait. All right, let's get back to the video. But when it comes to my website, guys, AndreMcClellan.com, there's two parts that I've been working on a lot. The economy part and also the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So you're just looking at seeing how I trade it. I usually trade almost everything off of MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. And this is how the web version looks. So you guys want to test it out for free. You don't have to put any information in there. Just test it out. You can just try this out right here. It's relatively easy. It's an easy platform to trade off of. And you can practice and see how to use it, how to draw indicators, how to draw boxes, how to change it up from line to bar. But this is a basic overview on it. But other than that, guys, tell me what you guys' thoughts are. I'd like to see what you guys' thoughts and hear your guys' thoughts about Dash. But that's the video, guys. I will see you guys on the next one.